In the United States, the novel coronavirus took its heaviest toll so far here at this nursing home, where several residents died from the infection, while many other residents and at least one employee tested positive. The facility is now closed off to visitors, with all residents confined to their rooms, attended by health workers in protective gear. Nearly a quarter of the city's firefighters were also quarantined when some developed flu-like symptoms following a recent visit. And most of these new cases are of unknown origin.
Unfortunately, we are now starting to find more COVID-19 cases in Washington that appear to be acquired locally here in Washington. And we now know that the virus is actively spreading in some communities here in Washington.
Local residents are taking any precaution they can.
Washing my hand, pretty frequently, countertop, and that's it.
Spreading, from this place to other places, that's the biggest worry I have.
The sudden increase in the number of those tested positive for the virus here at this Kirkland facility has put the entire community on edge. Now the city and the entire state are in a race to identify other potential infections and prevent what some officials fear could become the first major outbreak here in the U.S. Classes in a suburb north of Seattle were called off for around 22,000 students on Tuesday, so educators could learn how to teach children remotely in case of a major outbreak. After declaring a state of emergency, King County officials are now moving forward with an unusual plan.
We are in final negotiations to purchase a motel in which we can place patients who are in need of isolation and a place to recover.
In the meantime, local authorities are still advising residents to go about their daily lives.
Do the same things you would do any flu season. Wash your hands, cover your coughs. If you're sick, stay home. If your children are sick, keep them home.
But local businesses are already showing signs of slowing down as many people are cutting down on social activities until they learn the true extent of this community spread of the virus. It is Tiyansan, CGTN, Kirkland, Washington.